Hey, you know what time it is? It is officially summertime, and that means salad time. So let me show you some fun salad dressings from Olive Fusion in the salad kits that we create. All right, so let's make the summer garden salad kit. Go ahead and add a little bit of carrots, a little bit of strawberries to this one, some orange peppers. It's always nice. Then I'll chop up a little bit of mushroom to put in there. Make this healthy salad. Throw a little snap peas in if I'd like. Then all I have to do is take my Sicilian lemon balsamic and drizzle some over. And then I'm gonna take my basil olive oil and drizzle all over the salad with this. And then I'm on a little bit of the garden herb salt that we provide in this salad kit. And I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit and add a few more strawberries, toss it up. And then I love to add a little bit of my grilled halibut with, that I've made earlier with my Hoppy Citrus Sucker Punch seasoning in lemon olive oil. All right, next we're gonna do the Insalata Caprese salad dressing kit. This one I just have some fresh spinach, and then all I do with this is I take my basil olive oil and I'll drizzle some over top. Then I take black mission fig balsamic and drizzle a little bit of that over top as well. And then I have some basil sea salt that I'll top over the salad. First I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato because it would not be a caprese salad without some tomato. And just add this to the top of your salad. You can put a little bit of basil sea salt. Cooked up some of my prosciutto in my spicy pesto oil, and so then I just made it crunchy, and I'll add that to the top of this caprese salad. And there you go. So next we're gonna do the French countryside salad kit. And this one has the Herbes de Provence olive oil, red apple balsamic, and then my French vinaigrette seasoning. Now I will take and add this, mix it up all together. So I'll pour a little bit in my shaker, and then the Herbes de Provence in my shaker. So this one's making a true vinaigrette, and then I have this all measured out for you as well. Shake it up, and this will store for a week or so in the fridge. And I'll just pour a little bit over my salad. I like to use romaine with this one. I've got some croutons in there, actually some French radishes, red peppers. You can add an apple if you'd like, so it's great with the olive oil. The monounsaturated fat from the olive oil. The balsamics all have been aged a minimum 12 years, certified from Modena, Italy. They have no caramel coloring, no extra sugar added to it. So when I say you're eating healthy, you're eating healthy. And then with this one, if you want to add a little bit of seared tuna that we've grilled up. The seared tuna has my Korean beef seasoning on it with a little bit of sesame oil and honey ginger. So if you wanted to add a little protein to this, you could. Then I've got some shrimp here as well that I did with some chipotle oil and my honey chipotle rub as well that we just grilled up. But so you can add so many fun things to any of these salads and keep it healthy. So all of our salads that we created today from our salad kits, they're all gluten-free, dairy-free, low sodium. Even the croutons are gluten-free as well. So what's keeping you from eating yourself healthy?